At least they're performing for the camera. Yeah, that won't last long.
That one is like twitching.
Yeah, that's his battle cry.
Oh my
Or
god.
a seizure.
That's freakish. Look, he has like a blue. Oh, is that the light that's giving him the blue tint? I never saw that.
No, they have a tint like that.
Maybe it's like his
Notice any other
intimidation
kind.
thing. If I shake, will I intimidate you?
It's like a rattlesnake. Hey, fart rattlesnake.
Genetically splice a rattlesnake to a goldfish.
Those are African cichlids. These are no goldfish.
Sorry. To an African cichlid.
Same difference.
I
Same
call
color.
It's a goldfish, I mean.